ThoroughbredFord.com, where it's always easier to buy a car. Email us by following the links on the page or call us at 816-746-7567.
Check out this red 04 Ford Explorer XLS, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with 70,890 miles. Enjoy an impressive 21 miles to the gallon on this great SUV with features like keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, front bucket seats, reclining seats, compact disc player, air conditioning, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 04 Ford Explorer XLS. See us at Thoroughbred Ford today.
Thanks again for visiting ThoroughbredFord.com, home of smart cars, where it's always easier to buy a car. If there's anything that we can do for you while you're here, let us know. You can email us, follow the links on the page, or call us at 816-746-7567.